the Adina Apartments on George Street. Short walk to Central Station, but also Queen Street Mall. So this is a 1-bedroom apartment. So we've got a full oven, cooktop, espresso machine and fridge. Full fridge, sorry, that was a dishwasher. A really beautiful building. This is room 612. I believe this folds out to a double bed. Not much of a view, but we're super close to the ferry terminal there. Queen Street Mall, just behind this wall, that building, really. And these doors close for that privacy. That's it. They do also have full washer and dryer.